just emerge, and that's what the wait is all about. And mark into the foot.
You were part of that spectacle as well. You were there too. I was here as a fan, of course.
A few more moments and he'll grace the city of joy.
The excitement, I'm excited. I'm sure you two are as well.
Is almost around the corner.
हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं कि उनको एक अद्भुत सा स्वागत करें हम, और ये सारे स्टेडियम जो खचाखच भरा हुआ है अभी, ये
Set foot in the city of joy for the second time. These fans cannot wait.
second time into this iconic stadium.
And the chants are getting louder and louder. You can hear Messi and Messi, and we've been hearing that for the last.
Car is being driven, and he is staying just beside this lovely stadium, and that is. And here again, this man, and this is the moment. ये सारी जो क्षण हमारे हम अपेक्षा में थे, अब यही क्षण आप.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep the decibel limits off the charts. It's gonna go through the stratosphere. The man who arrives first, Rodrigo De Paul. And we can see Luis Suarez, El Pistolero is up next.
Incredible scenes. The great man Leo Messi has arrived. That famous logo of his as well on his chest. All smiles. He's basking in all the glory at the Salt Lake Stadium. What a moment.
उन्होंने गए हैं अभी इंटर मियामी में करीब के दोस्त लुइस सुआरेज, उन्होंने मेंशन की एल पिस्टोलेरो, उनको कह जाते हैं द गन, मे बी little bit of off-field activities, but they are all greats, but the greatest is also here.
Rodrigo De Paul and Leo Messi is already waving to the crowd. League finals, but still I'm sure they will be feeling the electricity.
Think from a different dimension where gods and monsters trade alike.
And Rodrigo Javier De Paul for Argentina. He scored just 2 goals because he's a defensive midfield, a fanboy moment.
They're legends in their own right of Indian football, but when you come up against the GOAT and you see him in the flesh, you get a
In the city of joy.
And just to see the close-ups of the fans, many of them in tears itself. You saw a quick celebration there. Somebody just got an autograph of Messi and goes on celebrate.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime moment. It's like a dream that you see in the wildest of your dreams. It has come true today. And that
would also be absolute a shot in the arm for the young kids.
Oh, what a grand spectacle that will be. And Messi and Suarez, part of the famous Barcelona, winning the Champions League as well, part of the famous MSN, special superstars.
Prabhav, ये विश्वमय skill. The Turkish Messi is, of course,
because whoever gets a football at their pitch, at their feet, and they get onto the pitch, they want to be like the great man.
Rohit, who's the Indian Messi?
I think there's
Of it, because the greatest is here, the dream is here. Leo Messi in Kolkata after 14 long years.
Footballs, you better keep them safe, because these are things to
equalizer, and from there in 2010 I think they were beaten by.
When I went to Argentina and
picture, the photo of his lifting the 2022 4 million hits till date, near to goodness. Wow.
it looks like he's making his ways as well. To see them in the flesh is something.
कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि अभी और काफी इसकी लाइव टेलीकास्ट आ रही है डीडी स्पोर्ट्स पे और इसकी ओटी, और हम अभी भी काफी मेसी मोमेंट्स क्रिएट करेंगे.
we couldn't even see him. We couldn't even get a glimpse of him. So why was this scripted? I don't know. Why weren't the police taking action? I don't know anything. Everyone was furious. Everyone was very furious.
It was a total scam. We want our money back, to be honest. And Mr. Shatadru Datta, who's the main person behind this event, he did a good job. But unfortunately, the management was so bad. It is a black day for Kolkata.
We have already detained the main organizer. We are taking action so that this mismanagement does not go unpunished. And we will see that the fans, that's our expectation, that the fans should be adequately compensated.